Hey everyone, Advanced Security here again with another DIY how-to video. Honeywell has programmed in a default setting of this loud horn-like siren when you arm and disarm from the key fob. Most customers do not like it, so I'm going to show you how to take that off as well. So if you go back into More, hit Tools, enter your installer code again, hit Program. If you arrow down to where it says Sounder, click on the sounder. You'll see where it says Arm Confirm RF Key Fob. Click on that twice until it says None. And then click Save. And then hit the arrow button. Again, make sure you hit Yes to allow installer re-entry. Hit arrow button again, and you're back to the home screen here, and you're set. Now it should give you the beeping chime, letting you know that you've activated it, but it will not give you that loud horn sound. Okay, and we're going to hit the disarm button.
Disarmed, ready to arm. Chime.
Arm stay.
Armed, stay. Exit now.
And then we won't do the panic button because it'll be pretty loud. So, but all the buttons are working, they're all tested, they're good to go. And remember, we offer nationwide UL alarm monitoring services starting as low as $10 per month with no contracts, no activation fees, and your rates will never go up. If you have any questions, please comment below or give us a call at 877-364-0918 or visit us online at advancedsecurityllc.com and check out our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.